second-generation Pumpguard assembly enables chemical injection below the mesh-right stainless steel wool screens that form part of the assembly. As a result, the treatment can help prevent scale buildup on the screens. Unplugged screens mean longer life for the downhole pump located above. The chemical treatment is radially dispersed for more uniform coverage. Production flows to the downhole pump through the mesh-right screens, which filter out sand and solids. During production, solids accumulate within and around the 3D mesh-right screen over time, gradually restricting flow. In contrast, with 2D screens, solids can accumulate rapidly and bridge, halting flow. As solids gradually accumulate within the mesh and around the screen, sand bridges can form, restricting flow. Pressure builds up below the restriction. When the differential pressure across the Pumpguard assembly valve reaches the field set value, the valve opens. Production flows unfiltered through the valve and up the screen. The pressure profile across the sand bridge reverses, allowing unconsolidated sand to settle gravitationally. As the sand bridge collapses, the differential pressure across the valve dissipates, and it closes again. Production is once more filtered through the screens. The assembly is completely automatic, requiring no surface intervention.